Hey there! Frustrated with trying to resolve a cannot give compensation issue on DoorDash? You're not alone. This week, I've got a comprehensive guide to help you learn how to fix cannot give compensation on DoorDash. Whether you're a customer or a Dasher, dealing with this error can be a headache, but don't worry. We're here to walk you through some effective steps to handle this situation with ease. Step 1. Understanding the error. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand what this error means. DoorDash's cannot give compensation error typically occurs when there's a conflict in either customer service or compensation claims. This could be due to policy issues, system glitches, or even incorrect order details. By knowing what triggers this error, you can take more precise steps to resolve it. Step 2. Ensure accurate order details. Double check your order details to ensure everything is correct. Sometimes incorrect information like the delivery address or payment method might cause the system to reject compensation. Log into your DoorDash account, navigate to your recent orders, and verify that all the entered information aligns with your intended purchase. Correcting any discrepancies can help streamline the compensation process. Step 3. Attempt contact through the app. One straightforward method to address this issue is contacting DoorDash support through the app. Go to the Help section on your order receipt and choose the relevant issue. There might be an option that fits your current problem. From here, you can explain your situation in detail to a support agent. This direct method often yields the quickest result. Step 4. Email or call DoorDash support. If you've tried reaching out through the app to no avail, consider contacting DoorDash support via email or phone. This can sometimes be a more effective way to express your concerns. Prepare any order confirmations, screenshots, or relevant details that may assist the support team in addressing your issue. This approach can often help get the compensation process moving once they've reviewed the specifics of your case. Step 5. Be patient and persistent. Dealing with customer support can sometimes require patience and persistence. If your initial attempts do not resolve the problem, don't hesitate to follow up with additional communication. You can also utilize social media platforms to reach out, as companies often monitor these channels for customer service inquiries and are responsive to public feedback. Step 6. Wait for a resolution. After you've made contact, give the DoorDash team some time to investigate the issue. They might need to escalate the case to higher level support. It's common for the resolution to take a few days, so keeping a line of communication open is critical. Make sure to check your email and app notifications regularly for updates from the support team. Fixing the cannot give compensation issue on DoorDash might seem like an uphill battle, but by following these systematic steps, you can navigate the process more effectively. Remember, it's crucial to ensure your details are correct, reach out through the appropriate channels, and maintain consistent follow-up. By doing so, you increase your chances of resolving the issue and obtaining any compensation due. So stay patient, keep the communication lines open, and you'll be well on your way to fixing this frustrating problem. Enjoy smoother transactions and happy dashing.